This is the last type of trigonometric equation you may be asked to solve, and we have an unknown angle that we need to find. You may have been told when you need to find an unknown angle, press the shift button, and if you memorize this fact, that's fair enough. So I press shift cos 0.6 and I'll get the answer 53.13 degrees. However, we're going to solve this using the 3 steps that we've been introduced to in the first 3 videos. So the first thing is we need to decide what to do, and we'll pretend we're not sure, so we'll use the function machine to help us. The unknown is theta, so this is what we feed into the function machine, and we ask what operation is it that we carry out on theta, and we're using the function cos. So out of our function machine comes cos theta. And we use the function machine, we look at the box underneath and we ask what is the inverse or the opposite of the cos function. And as you probably guessed, it's inverse cos, the cos to the -1. And so we've used the function machine, and that tells us what step 1 is, what the operation is that we're going to carry out. So step 2 is to do this to both sides. Step 3 is to simplify. Now what this requires you to notice is that inverse cos and cos are opposites, and therefore they cancel out, leaving just the theta. And what we're left with on the right is something that you can just type into your calculator. And if we do that, we find that theta is equal to 53.16 degrees. Now what I've shown you here is how we properly solve an equation like this. But the truth is, if you want to, simply remember that in a very simple trigonometric equation like this, to find an unknown angle, you simply press the inverse button.